TK! Today for fine motor, we are going to continue working on our scissor skills. So you will need your pair of scissors, okay? You're going to need just a scratch piece of paper, all right? You'll need something that is circular so you can trace, like the lid of a container, or I just have my yogurt container right here, okay? You're going to need a marker or a pencil or a crayon, something that you can write with. And then for Miss Blue's class, in this packet right here, if you go to the very end, you will find your 2 sheets of spirals. And for Mrs. Hartling's class, yours is just in your folder. So if you want to pull these 2 sheets out, that's perfect, okay? But we're going to start not with those, so you can put that to the side. Okay, today we're going to work on circles, cutting circles and cutting spirals, okay? So you get to work on making your own circles first. So I'm gonna put my container down on my piece of paper here, okay? And one hand's going to hold the container. The other hand, I'm going to trace around like that. I have a perfect circle. I have room for another one right there, so I'm going to make another circle. I wonder if I can make 3 on here. I'm not so sure, but here we go. I'm gonna do a halfway around. And if I can't go around anymore, I'm gonna pick up my pen and I'm going to go backwards that way. So now I have 2 circles, okay? And I wonder if I can make another circle. Almost, I can make almost a circle. So I'm going to make that right there. Okay, so go ahead and make your 3 circles or 2 circles like Miss Boo, okay? And so we're done with this container and this marker. Now, do you remember how to hold scissors? Thumbs up, fingers out, right? Okay, and scissors always point away from you. So your helping hand takes the scissors, point it away from you. Your dominant hand, your cutting hand, 2 fingers go in on the bottom. The thumb goes on the top. So make sure it looks like this. Okay, there we go. And so now we're going to cut. When you're cutting circles, your helping hand is going to do a lot of work. It's going to slowly turn the paper, okay? And when you're cutting circles like you're cutting curves, remember, small cut, small cut, small cut, small cut. All right, so my helping hand is going to fold this paper. I'm going to start down here, okay? And look at scissors pointing away from me, small cut, and as I'm cutting, my helping hand is moving it, turning. Now when my helping hand is up here, it's kind of hard to move, so I'm going to move my helping hand back down here again, closer to the scissors. And as I cut, it's gonna go up, and when it gets up here, I'm going to move that helping hand, okay? So, let's see if you can see it this way better. Cut. See, it's awkward now. It's kind of a weird position. So I just move it, and now it feels better on my hand. Cut. There I go. I have 1 sort of circle, okay? And I'm gonna keep doing that. Go ahead and start cutting yours. Okay, right here, cut, move. Make sure I'm moving my hand slowly so that the paper is moving. Oh, change position. Cut, cut. Look at my scissors don't move, just my paper moves. Change position. Cut, 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 cut. Small cuts. Control how much you open and close, okay? And there we have it. I have another one. Okay, and here's my third circle. I'm going to practice cutting. There we go. And change position. Small cut. How are you doing? Are you trying to stay close to the line? Yeah, as close as you can. That's good. Nice job. Cutting circles are kind of fun. It's kind of relaxing. Look it, I've got my circles. How are you doing with yours? Yeah? Good. Okay, so now, if you want more practice, you can make more circles. Maybe you can make smaller circles inside with a different lid, okay? But you see this? This is one continuous line, okay? And your challenge is to try to stay on that line and see what happens to this piece of paper at the end when you're all done, okay? When you're done with one, practice with the second one, all right? The same thing, because it's spiraling sort of like in an oval circle. This hand is going to do a lot of work moving. So this part is straight, but once I start curving, do you notice my helping hand moving, 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 moving? Time to move that hand. Moving, moving, moving. Okay. Move it closer to the scissors. Yeah. What do you think it's going to be? I don't know. Does it look like it'll be a snail? How about a snake? Turn. Okay. Notice when your helping hand feels weird, that's when you move it back closer to the scissors. Okay. I'm trying my best to stay on the line. If you don't stay on the line, it's okay. Just stay close to it. I'm almost done. Only a few spirals left. And as my circle gets smaller, you'll notice that I have to move my hand more often. You see? There we go. Almost done, almost done. There it is. What do you think it looks like? Should I hold the very end? Whoa! Look it, I made a spiral. Isn't that pretty? Yeah? All right, so now it's your turn. If you make two, you can play with it. Or you can make a whole bunch with different colors and decorate your room. Yay! Okay, have fun. It'll be really interesting to see your, to see what you did, how you did this. Okay, so you can post it on Seesaw for your teachers to see. We'd love to see it. Okay, bye.